will not finish it, guys. It's very long. So welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are staying here for the first time, like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go to our challenge. The first step to this challenge is wide your legs. Wide your legs, then arms cross, and right shoulder up, down. So it's then right shoulder down, left shoulder up. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I see there you go, guys. Left shoulder down, right shoulder up, right shoulder down, left shoulder up. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if just doing this 1, 2, 1, 2 is the first step, the next thing is to do to mash your leg down. To mash your leg down. So it's bam, bam, da 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 da, 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 bam, da 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 da, bam. So that's the first step, guys. You mash your legs down. Now, so some go 5, 6, 7, 8. The last step, the next step to do is clap. I think, guys, show your leg like you're going to kick a ball. Go, we are doing it consecutively times, multiple times. That's the next step, guys. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen, guys. 3. So for that step, you forward. That's the next step, guys. So it's 1, come back. 2, come back. 3, come back. 4, come back. Listen, guys. So we're going to start the same step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, come back. 2, come back. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. So I go from the start, everything on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, So what I say, guys, the next step is get to your side, you breathe by breaking your hip side. So you what are you supposed to do, guys? So it's break let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are waiting to the side. If you're following this tutorial, please subscribe down below. Subscribe for me, guys. Like this video and comment which parts I find difficult. Let's jump back to the video. Now, while you're breaking, remember you're waving your hands while you're breaking your hips. So let's start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Listen, guys, just breaking for you guys to see. So guys, that is the dance tutorial. I'll also make this video too long for you guys. So if you like this video, subscribe down below, like this channel, comment which part you find interesting, and I'll see you guys in my next video.